So this question, I want us to quickly do that. Can you see, guys? Follow instructions like I said before. As you can see, this question, some of you are familiar with this question. You need to choose whatever it is on this, whatever is on this, under this, you know, you need to choose. You can't come up with your own names. And then again, what I advise you guys, always check if they give you this kind of a question. This question says, side on which the account increases. Next time they can say the side on which the account decreases. Be careful, they can change increase to decrease. So you must know your rules. If you don't know your rules, you won't be able to answer this question. The side increases on the, let's say, for example, if you put an asset, you know that assets increase on the debit side. So they just wanted you to show that. Okay, let's do this quickly, guys. I'm going to ask you questions. Please, for petty cash, write it on the chat. Tell me under what is petty cash and under which side. Please tell me, write it on the chat. The first one who give me the answer, I'll write it down. What do you think I must write under petty cash? You choose. You remember, you choose here. You choose here. These questions, I think for those who are in my groups, I think you can find them under revision, under more resources. Okay. Thank you so much, Morene. You said I'm going to write. Guys, I'm just going to write because of time. And then okay. Drawings, please. I think I'm just going to write. If you've got any question, guys, you just tell me. Otherwise, I'm not going to finish. Let me write it down. And then if it doesn't make sense, you tell me. Whatever doesn't make sense. So after I've written, I'm going to advise you how to answer these. Okay. Thank you so much, Namagugu, for that. Please. And if it doesn't make sense, you need to go and check the rule and check those accounts. I think those in my class, we've got the notes. And then from group 3, I think your lecturer also gave you the notes. Please make sure that you always check those notes at the same time the textbook, okay? Remember, I said if you want to ask a question, you can also use the audio just to talk to me directly, because sometimes typing maybe can be a challenge. You can use an audio and we talk, okay? Can anyone use the audio? Just say hi so that I can see whether it's working or not. Anyone please use the audio?
Hi.
Just to say hi.
Hi, sir.
I know you said hi, but please, you can say it again.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, sir.
Can you please say hi to me?
Hi to me.
Hi, sir.
Can everyone say hi at the same time, all of you? Otherwise, I'm detaining you.
Wow.
Hi, sir.
Wow. Hi, sir.
Why at the same time?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi,
sir.
Hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Namagugu,
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can
I
hear
can
you, sir.
clearly. Thank you so much.
Sir, I'm confused
Okay.
with the site on which account includes the debit and credit. I'm not understanding.
Okay, remember, this is about the rules, ne? Remember, there are rules. I'm gonna show you, ne? Let me finish this one. I'm gonna show you next.
Okay, sir.
Let me do this. This is how I'm gonna show you. This is how I do my rules. Sorry, guys. Those who are not on the audio, please switch off the audio. Only switch on the audio if you are asking a question. Siam Tanda, switch off the audio. Siam Tanda. Siam Tanda, switch. Oh, yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Are you still with me, Nomagugu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm showing you now how those rules, how do you use those rules. So this is what I normally do. Anyone from group 3 here, guys? I never had anyone saying from group 3. I'm just gonna show
From
you.
group 3 here.
Welcome, welcome. And I'm talking to, let's see, I'm talking to Iruma. Is it? Sorry, Iruma.
It's Iroma. Yes, sir.
Oh, Iruma, how are you? Welcome.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
No problem. I'm showing the way I prefer, because you know there are different ways of learning the rules. I'm grouping them like this. I'm grouping everything like this. So remember, there are different ways of learning the rules, but I always use these rules, guys. If it doesn't work for you guys, you can use other rules. There are too many, so don't confuse yourself. Just master one. So this is what I do. Sorry, guys, I don't have a ruler there. I'm just gonna draw a box like this. Sorry, guys. Yo, I'm using the mouse, ne? So I've got 2 boxes. The other box, remember, all of the boxes, this side, I'm gonna put this side as the debit side. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this side, the credit side. So remember, I think you know by now, it doesn't matter. You always have the debit on the left and the credit on the right. And then I'm gonna put an arrow. Can you see on this side, on this box, I put an arrow that goes up like this. This is how I prefer the rules. And this one, sorry guys, I put like this. And for this one, it's gonna be the opposite. I put it like this, and this one I put it like this. That's how I learn the rules. Can you see now? So when I'm writing the test or exam, I just put this on my question paper before I start, and I'm gonna refer. This means everything in this box increase on the debit side, and everything in this box decrease on the credit side. Can you see now? But everything in this box decrease on the debit side and increase. For example, petty cash. Firstly, I must know that petty cash is an asset. So I go to the box where I've got assets. So can you see if it's an asset, it means it will increase on the debit side. That's why I put it on the debit side. Norma, do you understand my rules, the way I learn the rules?
Yes, now I
And do you
understand.
think is this useful to you?
Very
Yeah,
much.
just
Thank
master this, and then thank you very much. So you can just check here. Profit is an income. So what you need to know, you must master these things. Incomes increase. Remember, increase on the credit side. So incomes, you go where you see incomes, you check the arrow that goes up. So this will help you. That is the shortest way of learning the rules. I prefer these rules. I normally call these rules Sylvester's rules, if you know what I'm saying. Any question, guys? Can I assume that everyone understands, guys? Say yes, yes, yes. Utlutleng, hopefully you can see now. Say yes, 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 so that I can know that everyone understands. Thank you, 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 thank you. Otherwise, I move on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So please make me proud on Monday. I trust you. I trust you. So you're gonna win. So as long as you understand this one, I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay. I scroll, I scroll, I scroll, and then some of you maybe. Sia, be specific. Sia, tell me where to start. Tell me. Do you want me to explain the rules? Sia, let me know. Sia, do you want me to explain the rules here? Is Sia there? Okay, no problem, Sia. Let me repeat quickly. This is my rules, Sia. You just have to have this something like this, and then let me take a random example. Let's say I want to deal with stationery. Can you see now? Firstly, you need to know. No one will tell you. Remember, you need to know the groups of accounts. So, according to the groups of accounts, stationery is an expense. Firstly, you need to know that stationery is an expense before you can be able to use the rules. How can you learn the groups? You need to make sure that you go to the notes. My students have got notes. I don't know about group 3. My slides have got notes. So after this, guys, those who want my notes, I can send you via email if you're not in my group. So it means you have to send me an email so that I can share with you. So you must go and learn which ones fall under expenses, which ones fall under assets, and etc. etc. So stationery is an expense. After knowing that stationery is an expense, you check the question: under which side do expenses increase? The answer here I said debit. How did I know that it is debit? It's because I know my rules. So if I use these rules, it means I will be able to answer. Yes, I will share my email address now. So if you can expenses, I just go to the box where I said expenses. Here is the box where I see expenses. Can you see now? And the question is under which side is it increasing? So I'm gonna go to the box where I see expenses and I check the arrow that goes up. The arrow that goes up means increasing. So when I check in this box, the arrow that goes up on the debit side. Can you see I put debit here? It's because the rules are saying the expenses are going up or increase on the debit side. Sia, are you covered? Do you think this information is Sylvester? Sia, write it on the chat. Let me know. Remember, you become an expert. The more you use the rules, the more you get used to them. Sia, are you okay? Sia, I'll be happy if you understood how I just explained. Yes, next time I don't want you to say think, but practice, and then check if you understand or not. So Kyra said, say, are these all groups that will be, remember, they can choose, you must just know all the groups. There are 5 groups, so you'll never know which group are they going to test, but just know. And it doesn't mean the question will come in this way. I'm just saying, if they ask you to classify, you must always make sure that you know the group. So know them by heart. Please know them by heart. Because even the next question, if you don't know the groups, you won't be able to answer it. Okay. Any other question? I hope everyone understands. That's my email address, guys. You can use it. And then even those who needs more information, because I do have a YouTube, guys, you can also follow this link for me. You can find my videos on YouTube. So you can use that, guys. I'm not saying you must go and subscribe, but most students are saying the videos are useful. They are not even my students, guys. You can even go and check. If they're not useful, no problem. Don't use them, okay? But please go and check this. So please, I'm going to continue now, unless if you've got any other question. Now, question 2, guys, they like this kind of a question. I don't want to lie. Guys, I told you that, believe in me, I'm the non-current asset for Varsity College. I've been here for many, many years, and I know they like this kind of a question. Lesego saying, are you recording this session? Yes, Lesego, I'm recording this session. And then thereafter, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna share the link, and then you're gonna see it. Okay, no problem. I understand. The network can be a challenge, and then I'm also at the campus. Those who are around the campus, I think I'm in UL 11 now, so I'm by myself. I'm owning the space, but the network here is better. So yes, I recorded the session. Okay, let's look at this. This kind of a question, guys, please note. Remember, I said you need to make sure that you know the basics. Those who are not in my groups, guys, when you send me an email, I'll also send you this question. But those who are in my group, these questions already are under your more resources, okay? So I'm gonna share this with everyone, guys. You need to know your groups. I repeat, there are about 5 groups. Please, everyone, write all the 5 groups on this chat. Write all of them at the same time. I'm giving you half a minute. Write all the groups here. There are about 5 of them. I'm asking you. Only 30 seconds. Write them down. All of you are about 31 here, 31 of us. I want you to write those groups down quickly before I call your name. I want those groups at the same time. I want 5 of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them. Michelle, thank you so much. I appreciate. Michelle wrote them down for us. Those are the groups which I wanted. Thank you, Michelle. Know those groups, because if you don't know those groups, guys, you are gonna struggle. Okay. Now, this question is very, very important. Can you see that they want you to find which accounts are current liabilities, which accounts are non-current assets, which accounts are incomes, which accounts are expenses. Thank you so much, Lesego. So you need to know your accounts. Without that, you're gonna do guesswork. I know I marked this before. Some of my students have done this before. I know when I was marking you, some of you were not well prepared, but some of you were perfect. So what I prefer you to do, before you can do anything, just go and classify. So you're gonna tell me one by one. Put it on the chat. Under which group does capital? And I want you to be very specific. If you say it's an asset, tell me which asset. Thank you so much. Michelle said owner's equity. I'm just going to write OE. OE, thank you so much. And then what about the drawings, please? Perfect. Owner's equity. Please help me quickly. Mortgage. Thank you very much, Michelle. Non-current liability. I'm just going to write NCL, meaning non-current liability. What about the short-term loan? Thank you, Michelle. Current liability. What about debtors control? Debtors control. Thank you so much, Michelle. Guys, participation is compulsory. Come on. Let's help each other. What about creditors control? Thank you so much. Be specific, Daniel. If you say liability only, it's going to affect you. Current liability. Okay. Don't just say liability. Otherwise, you won't be able to answer the question. What about the bank that is unfavorable? Thank you so much, Lerato. Current liability. What about land and buildings? Thank you so much, Lerato. Thank you so much, Itumil, Ioroma, and then, yeah, and then Michelle. Thank you, Visua. Thank you. Non-current asset. I appreciate. What about the vehicle? Non-current asset. Thank you so much. Marone, thank you. Tanyani, thank you so much. What about the trading inventory? Thank you so much, Michelle. Nomagugu. Roma, thank you. Trading inventory. Perfect. Current assets. Thank you. I appreciate, guys. Thank you. Thank you. What about cash float? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. What about the income? Oh, sorry. I gave you the answer. What about the sales? Thank you so much. You know, I like you. I just give you income. Rent income, obviously, is income. Commission income is income. Thank you so much. Interest income is income. Thank you. Cost of sales, what is it? Perfect. Thank you so much. Expenses. What about interest expense? Expense, ne? Electricity expense. And expense. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. No, I like the participation. I like the thank you, Liana. Thank you, Raki. Thank you, Rama, Raki. Wish you everyone. Tanyani. Thank you, everyone. Lerat, everyone. So please, you know this. Without this, guys, honestly speaking, you know by now you won't do anything. Can you see if you do this? It's just copy and paste. Like if you go down there, they want current liabilities. So what you do, you just go to the current liabilities, everything that says CL, you take this, only two current liabilities. So I've got debtors control together with bank unfavorable, and you add them. So guys, because of time, I'm going to show you only one so you can do the other one. So what you're going to do, I'm going to have the first one is short-term liability. I'm going to show you here. This is how you must do it. You must say short-term loan. Short-term loan. Please, do you still remember the amount? I'm just going to scroll up there. The amount is, let's see, current liability 3370. 33. Is it 770? I'm not sure. Yes. I'm gonna go and check. Yes, 770. The other one is what? Is bank unfavorable. Thank you so much for that. The other one is bank unfavorable. And then the bank unfavorable, how much was it? Let's see. Thank you so much. 77,000. Thank you guys for helping me. Let's help each other. So please add them for me quickly. So you can put it total wherever you want, but I'm just gonna put it here. Thank you so much, Namagugu. 34,600.
Sorry, sir. Can I ask a question?
Can you see now? This is what you just need to do. Only this. Remember, usually, if you put the incorrect account here, sometimes they do deduct marks. Can you see now? You just have to be sure about yours, because I can see some students put everything here. You will end up getting 0 if they use negative marking. So make sure that you put the correct information. Okay. Oh, one more. Okay, let me go and check. They said there's one more. Let me go and check. I'm not sure. Let me go and check. They say there's one more. Let's see. Current liability. Oh, sorry, there's one more. Creditors control. So much. I didn't see that. They say creditors control. Creditors control. Yes, you can ask a question, Amagugu. There's creditors control. How much is the creditors control? Help me.
Creditors control is 7,000.
7,000.
77.
Thank you. It's 77. So what? How much is the bank unfavorable?
It's 34,600.
37. Okay. 34. Oh, 34,600. Okay, now I understand. 34,600 is not the total.
Yes, sir.
So give me the total, please. Thank you so much. Add for me, please. Thank you for that. Guys, we are 31 of us. Please come with the total. Come on. Do you want me to choose one and say, give me the answer? 76. It must be more than that. It must be more than 76,076. 145,370. 145,370. Thank you so much. Thank you. No problem. Raki, no problem. Thank you so much. This is how you need to answer the question, guys. I hope you're gonna win, guys. I'm not gonna show you the other ones, guys. It's very easy. Just go and copy. You see where you see non-current asset, you just copy everything here. Do you think you can all be able to do this, guys? Let me see. Yes. I want to see 31 yeses so that I can move on. Thank you, Kairai. Thank you. Thank you. 31. I want to see 31. If I don't see you, I'm gonna ask you. If you don't say yes, it means you say no. Because I want to be sure, guys. I want you to pass. Distinction. Thank you. Perfect. I appreciate, guys. The drawings will fall under owner's equity, but unfortunately there is no owner's equity here. Can you see now? So if we had owner's equity, we'll put drawings under owner's equity, but in brackets. Remember, drawings are negative owner's equity. They must be in brackets if you are putting them under owner's equity. Are you answered, Viz? Thank you, no problem. As I'm moving on, so please, you put these questions with you, or those who don't have, send me an email. I'll send you these questions. and then you just have to do them, guys, and then you will know you're gonna win. Okay, so I finished that question. I'm coming to this question. Again, some of my students have seen this before, guys. I was very disappointed with some of you. What you were supposed to do initially, you were supposed to come here and put a sign equal, and then put a sign plus here. Please give me the answer for B. I'm not gonna say much on this one. Give me the answer for B. And then if you don't understand, you will ask a question. Give me the answer for B. I'll wait. Use your calculator. Thank you so much, Raggy, for that. I'll wait until you give me the answer. Thank you, Roma. Thank you, Rato. Thank you, Maroni. Thank you, Raki. Thank you so much. I appreciate. I agree with you guys. If it doesn't make sense, you need to ask. Otherwise, I will assume that everyone understands. But I would like you to ask me a question if it doesn't make sense. So if it doesn't make sense, please ask. Please find the C for us. Thank you, Manoma Gugu. Thank you, Maroni. Thank you, Raki. Thank you. Thank you so much. 674. 674,000. Yes, and then let's do this, and then thereafter make sure that you. The other one is how much? Thank you so much. I appreciate. 723,000. Thank you so much. And then, what about the last one? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I appreciate the efforts. I appreciate the efforts. Thank you so much, guys. Now you can ask questions. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, understand this immediately comes, you will be able to answer it. Perfect. Be careful. Just know your equations. I think you're all doing IQTT or statistics or financial maths. You can make any one of these three a subject of the formula. Okay, as long as you know how to rearrange this, you will be able to understand this. So make sure that you know what to do at the end of the day. So any questions, guys? If you understand, let me see. Yes, all of you. 32 yeses before I continue. Before I continue, please. How are you? Good. Yes. Come on. No, I'm not using the camera. It's perfect. I appreciate. Yes. I'll email this copy to you, please. Just email me and I'll email you back. Yes. These are the items. Yes, and some of the questions, yes. Okay. You know that when you are writing, it's going to be the combination. Do you need a break, guys? Can I give you a break and thereafter we continue? Let me see on the chat. Maybe we can take 10 minutes break. What do you think? Just for you. Let me see if we can take a break. Say yes. Please, let's check others. If you need a break or you want us to finish and you go. I don't know. Okay. Remember majority rules. I can see majority says yes. Do you want to take a break, guys? Let's see. The others are not saying anything. It means No break. We just finished, guys. It's not a lot. We finish and you go. You take the longest break, and then you. Okay. Can we finish, guys? I think majority says. I'm just counting here. Okay, let's finish. Okay, let's just finish, guys, because sometimes network can be a challenge. And then we finish. We can even finish in 20 minutes or 15 minutes. There's not a lot. Okay, let's do this one, guys. Let's continue.